Hey guys, we're back. We're still with this cool 1956 Ford pickup truck, and I want to talk a little bit about interiors. And so we've talked about some door hardware. We've talked about the AC valance and different things that we put into this truck. But one of the things that we're coming out with is an interior kit for 53 to 56. You can just go online and buy it. That's going to be available in about 30 days. We've got coming right shortly behind that are going to be fiberglass headliners, fiberglass back wall panels that you can just purchase. They fit really well. They actually tie together nice and flush. There's no overlap of ABS that you have to deal with. And so the fit and finish of the fiberglass panels is spectacular. And so, but we've done some cool things. We got really nice bench seats that replaced the original one that got all the springs out of it. We've got brackets that attach the bench seat into the factory holes. Beautiful custom door panels that we can design any color of leather, any color of vinyl, and then we can kind of cater this to a couple different designs. He chose to have some diamond in here. We got a little bit of the suede headliner tied into here, a little bit of the carpet, and then here's these really cool new door and window crank hardware that work really great. They go right on. It's kind of a period correct looking hardware, but at the same time the splines reach. They got 2 set screws to hold everything on, super high-end stuff. Then you can kind of see the changes in the AC valance. With the kit, you'll be able to get your headliner components, seat components, door panels, kick panels, AC valances, and sun visors as well. And so when you purchase a full kit from us, you also get this cool little bag sitting on the seat that will match your interior and actually comes with Meguiar's car care product in it. So if you go to a car show, you can actually wipe everything down. You have interior detailer, glass cleaner, microfibers, exterior detailer, and a little bit of stuff to wipe down your tires and make everything shine when you go out there. It looks really good, it matches, can sit there on your seat, and it doesn't look out of place. And so really cool products that are coming out. Again, we're about 30 days away from launching this. We've been doing a few vehicles that have wanted to come in and be kind of the test dummies for this stuff and let us kind of work through stuff. This is a great guy. He let us kind of get it in and get it designed. He wanted to be, one of the first, and so really cool product, and we're excited to launch it. So stay tuned, keep following along with us. Definitely check out our YouTube channel, our Instagram, our Facebook, our website. All the latest and greatest things will be there. And if you need an interior for your truck and you want something kind of clean and classic like that, just give us a call. We'll take care of you. We appreciate it. Thanks.